Okay, now we are testing the battery No. 18. For this, the initial internal resistance measurement. The tester is used for internal resistance test. Let's take a look at the internal resistance. The current voltage is 12.34 volts, and the internal resistance is 0.026 ohms, which means that this battery still has a relatively high repair value. Then remove the lid. This lid, usually it is glued together with this glue. After opening the lid, then take off the lids of these liquid holes. Next, we will add the repair fluid. The amount of repair fluid is generally 0.1 to 0.5 C of the total ampere hour. For this battery, its voltage is relatively high and low internal resistance. We can add a smaller amount. So now the amount of liquid we add is about 2 milliliters, which is about 0.1 C. After adding the repair liquid to all the holes, and then the whole battery, the repair solution should be left to stand for about 3 hours. Well, after 3 hours of standing, the large repair battery, we need to activate it. Use this to activate. First, connect the clip of the activation machine. Make sure the positive and negative poles are not reversed. After clamping, then we turn on the quick activation instrument to activate it. This operation is relatively simple. We need to pay attention to some data. This data, if the voltage reading is relatively low, around 12 point something, it means the battery itself is still in good condition and will be relatively easy to repair. If the data reaches more than 15, it means that the activation time may be longer. Then it is more difficult to activate. Number 15, before repair, this is 1106. The capacitance before repair is fully charged, and then discharged. It ended up putting a total of 9.9 amp hours, which is 50% of the DOC. Then next, we will repair it. Battery number 15, 1106, 1106. After the repair, we did this. Discharge it completely and then charge it, filled with 20 amp hours.